are rapidly transforming through automation, AI-driven systems, precision engineering, smart mobility, and advanced manufacturing technologies. At the same time, global supply chains are evolving, creating new opportunities for countries that can offer reliable innovation and strong industrial ecosystems. And this is exactly why these expositions are highly relevant today. Automotive die and mold, tooling, metalworking, electronics, plastics, and automation now form one interconnected ecosystem, powering the future of manufacturing and mobility. For PEZA, these industries continue to be among the strongest drivers of investments, exports, and employment. In fact, manufacturing remains our largest sector and a key driver of investments, exports, and employment. Leading this sector is the electronics manufacturing or semiconductor services. This industry accounts for almost 33% of total approved investments. To date, PMS SMS industry is composed of 471 registered enterprises, which has generated over 1 trillion in cumulative investments and created more than 368,000 jobs for Filipinos. Within this ecosystem, the automotive industry remains a major driver of exports, technology transfer, and employment, with 55 PEZA-registered automotive enterprises generating more than 70 billion pesos in investments and over 53,000 jobs. Equally important is the die and mold sector, one of the backbone industries of advanced manufacturing. As of April 2026, PEZA hosts 172 registered die and mold enterprises, with investments exceeding 60 billion pesos and generating around 61,000 jobs nationwide. These figures clearly show that strong manufacturing ecosystems create strong economies. This is why we in PEZA continue to strengthen long-standing partnerships with industry associations, academia, and government institutions through initiatives on workforce upgrading, advanced manufacturing, precision tooling, innovation, and technology development. Because at the end of the day, competitiveness is no longer built on one sector alone. It is built through collaboration. PEZA values events like Philippine Manufacturing Week not simply as an exhibition, but as a platform for investment promotion, supplier development, technology exchange, and stronger integration into regional and global manufacturing supply chains. We also leverage on our participation in these expositions as part of our reverse trade fair program. Efforts to allow local vendors to learn about and become part of the ecozone supply chain. This strengthens local linkages, supports MSMEs, and aligns with our goal of building self-sustaining industrial ecosystems. With PEZA's continued support, we hope to scale up this initiative and foster even stronger collaboration between our export enterprises and local industries. Moving forward, we remain fully committed to attracting high-value investments, strengthening local industries, developing world-class Filipino talent, and helping further cement our position as a globally competitive manufacturing hub in the region. Together, let us continue driving Philippine manufacturing forward through innovation, partnership, and shared progress. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.